those bitches will be bitching with him.
So lento yakho iqale nini Nkabuyanga?
Sengineminyaka ngicabanga ukuthi u4 manje. Ngikwi game nje. Ngingalovi, ngingaguli, ngingaphuki. I will tell you when to type. All right guys, mina ngiyabashaya. Bashaya. Yini uqale ukungishaya?
Cha ngiyabuza ngoba phela lento oyenzayo mawunganga ngakithi ngale ungashawa ngempela.
Ikuphi ngakini?
KwaNongoma.
KwaNongoma.
Kwafela ubala.
Kwafela ubala?
Yeah.
Hayi ngeke phela ngiyele KwaNongoma ngiyofela ubala mina. Ngiyofela into ekhona.
Kodwa lento oyenzayo Nkabuyanga.
You see now he's threatening me. He's
So now you want to hit him if there's nothing in your phone. Why you want to hit
we
him?
haven't typed yet. He's threatening me.
Ifoni yami
But
privacy.
I haven't even opened anything and already you want to hit someone
Yeah.
for something.
Yeah. He's starting to be bully. This one. He's telling me about his village. Sister, wait. Hey, yo, guys. We are on WhatsApp right now. When you are about to type the trenders, type there and say, uzokwazi ukubhala ukuthi ngiyakuthanda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Type. In.
Kodwa Nkabuyanga lento oyenzayo.
In.
Echawo Nkabuyanga.
Uyangibhulisha. Yazi abafowethu kwafela ubala ngeke bayithande lento oyenzayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lamina.
Vele hayi.